If you wanted how to create lifelike professional voiceovers without hearing voice action, welcome to our ElevenLabs tutorial where we'll discover the power of AI-generated voices. In just a few simple steps, we'll show you how to transform your scripts into captivating audio content that sounds natural and engaging. Let's unlock the future of voiceovers together. So hi guys, welcome in this video. I'll show you step by step how you can create professional AI generated. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into ElevenLabs.io. You have here various information. You have first EA audio, so you can use it to turn text to speech to speech, text to VX, voice cloning, voice isolator. Then about products, we have projects, dubbing studio, audio native, voiceover studio, voice library. And about solution, we have here scale, we have enterprise, teams, creators. About understood, we have publishing, media and entertainment, conversational AI, and customer stories. Then in APA, we have supercharge your projects with the most powerful AI audio, high quality low latency turbo model. We have also build faster than ever, easy integration on any web page, enterprise ready. See how developers and businesses are leveraging speech APA, and we have here APA plans that scale with you. And we have here frequently asked questions like can I get support during the integration process, so you can just click over here and get your answers. So this is the with APA, and if you click over pricing here, we realized and we recognize that it's absolutely for free for individuals who want to try out the most advanced AI audio. So you have here 10k character per month, 10 minutes of audios, and what's included. So we have first generate speech in 32 languages using thousands of unique voices, translate content with automatic dubbing. We have also create custom synthetic voices and generate sound effects, APA access also, and we have here other information about pricing. And we have here also company, have about safety block cars. You can just click over to what you want and get started with. So in the homepage here we have created the most realistic speech with our AI audio platform, pioneering research in text-to-speech, AI voice generator, and more. So you can just click over here to get started for free, but before let's give it a try. So we have here various things. So first of all, choose the language you want, then tell a story here. You can also introduce a podcast, create a video also here, and you can choose the actor you want like Alex, Bill, Kala, Charlie, Charlo, Chris, and actor here's a lot of actors. Then we have here speech to speech. You can just upload audio or start recording. Then we have here dubbing. You can choose the one you want here, and then you
I've
click over
interviewed
here
some of the
and
best CEOs in the world, and I'm fascinated by leadership.
start
And the
watching a
thing that really
video.
struck me was like when you think about your leadership state.
If you click over text to VX, you can choose first things powerful lion roaring in the African savanna, and then we have here the sound of waves crashing against a large rock, the ocean, fireworks exploding in the night sky, a dog barking in the park also, and the last things we have voice cloning. So you can choose Lily, the original one,
Sherlock
and you
Holmes's
have the
quick eye
clone
took
one.
in my Sherlock Holmes's quick
You have
eye took
also
in my
Chris, the
occupation.
original
All right,
one,
so get
then
this.
Chris,
All
the
right, so get
clone one.
this.
You have
I'm at
also
this new
Laura,
cafe downtown.
original
Hey
one,
foodies, let's
and
get cooking.
Laura,
Hey
the
foodies,
clone one.
let's get cooking with some delicious
Also, we
vegan
have
meal
here
prep ideas.
other
Tip
information
number
like you can
1,
just read
plan
it
your
to
meals in
understand
advance
about
to save
11
time and ensure you
labs.
have all the
The
necessary
first things we have
ingredients on hand.
voices fit for
Tip number
all of
2,
your
invest
ideas,
in quality
making
storage
content
containers to keep
universally
your prepped
accessible,
meals fresh and
complete
organized.
voice AI tools, AI safety at ElevenLabs, and then we have here AI audio solutions for any skill or need. So first things we have creators, scale your productions and expand your reach globally without compromising on quality. Teams we have simplify managing and collaborating on projects with flexible AI workflows. Enterprise we have access our advanced models with dedicated support at a price point that scales with you. Then we have here our creative side of AI audio tools, remachines, professional workflows, latest updates, and you can just get started for free here. So create with the highest quality AA audio. So to get started, all you have to do is come back to the top here and you can click over get started for free, and you write your email address and your password and you confirm it by your email. Then you get started with AA voice generating. So first things we have here speech. You can choose generate or history here. Then we have here advanced or simple. And then we have here start typing here and paste any text you want to turn into lifelike. So you can just click over here. You can also use speech to speech. You upload audio or recording audio. You choose here the actor you want. And also we have here settings. You can just choose the stability here, more stable or more valuable. Similarity also low or high. Still exaggeration, no one exaggerated. And you can also switch off or switch on speaker boost on that table about settings. Also you can choose English, Japanese, Chinese or other things like. So that's it with settings. We have here also voices here. You can choose my voices library here. So you can see narrative, story, conversational, character and animation, social media and other niches. You can just search it in the library. If you come back here, we have personal, also community default. You can just select the one you want, professional, instant generated, also recently used, or alphabetical here. And you can just write it, and you find your voices you want. And here we have various actors. So let's move into sound effects. So here we have three options: explore, history here, and generated. So you can just describe your sound effect and then click generate. About explore you can choose the animals, bass, bombs, drums, brass, cymbals. You can choose also drums, fantasy, foley, guitar, horror, humans, and various niches, voiceovers. Then you can also search for sound effects. You can also look like topics. As you can see, we have here a lot of things. Just upgrade to download it and you can just get started with it. Then we have here projects, voiceover studio. You can just add a video by clicking to upload or drag it and drop into file, or you can create a voiceover. Also we have your dubbing studio. What can you use dubbing for? So the first things we have social media, media and entertainment, marketing, education and learning, and we have also here audio native. Just click
Logic
over
will
here
get
and
you
get
from A
started
to
with
B.
audio native,
Imagination will take you everywhere.
or you can just click over and play video. Then we have here also voice isolator, drag and drop an audio live audio file up to 50,000 1500 sorry MBA. You can just upload the audio or just start recording audio. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.